VBA has been Excel's automation language for 30 years. Power Automate is Microsoft's no-code alternative. Each excels in different scenarios, choosing wrong waste hours. VBA runs inside Excel with full access to cells, formatting, charts, and file system operations. It's fast, works offline, and handles complex logic. Downside: requires coding knowledge and doesn't work on web or mobile. Power Automate connects Excel to 500-plus cloud services: email, Teams, SharePoint, databases, and APIs. Flows run in the cloud on schedules or triggers. No code needed, but desktop Excel manipulation is limited. Use VBA for formatting, complex calculations, file manipulation, and anything offline. Use Power Automate for cross-app workflows, scheduled cloud tasks, notifications, and approval processes. Use both for hybrid solutions. I automate the same task: processing an email attachment, cleaning the data, and sending a summary, using both VBA and Power Automate. The comparison reveals clear strengths and weaknesses of each approach. The best automation tool depends on your specific workflow. Subscribe for dedicated deep dives into both VBA and Power Automate.